Now that you have your account created, the first step is to sign up for a subscription. If you click around in here, you'll see the options are limited until you get the subscription set up. The good news is you have several different plans to choose from with a la carte options. We've tried to design things so it is affordable regardless of where you are with your business and flexible to grow with you. To see the list of available plans, click your name in the top right corner and then select Store. This will show you the list of available plans. Yours may look different. You can click the Get Started button to see more information about a plan. Once you have the plan you like, click the Add to Cart button from the Details page. On this page, click the blue button in the bottom right corner that says Pay with Card. Add in your email address with your card details and click Pay. Assuming the payment went through, you should be good to go and you'll now have access to lead generated. After the payment, you'll be redirected to the subscription page. From this page, you can see the details of your subscription, cancel, or make changes. This tab will show you your payment history, and the final tab here will allow you to update your payment info. To get back here in the future, all you have to do is click the drop-down menu in the top right corner with your name and select Account Settings. Now that we have the subscription, it's time to start setting up the system for action.